Okay, let's go.
But if somebody tell you you are a loser, say no. I will show you a real truth why Allah is only one. If you look up and bravely ask, Allah, I love you. Do you love me? A lighting will come. And Allah will say, yes, I love you. Just don't be shy. I am always here to help you in the right time. If you care Allah, Allah will care you. But if you don't care Allah, Allah will not care you. Something bad will happen to you. You say, Allah, give me something. Nothing will happen. Your mother will get something. Nothing. Your heart will get more hurt. Allah feel pain. Also, Allah feel pain if you hate. Allah don't like you. If we talking bad. Talk about. Care about Allah. Allah is here also to help you. You help Allah, and what is labbaik Allah? You don't. You see, Allah, I am here for you. What do you need? I will help. I will help you. But listen, don't shout. If you see anyone, just start to say Assalamu. Okay? Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Be brave and be confident. If someone new, don't shout. Don't say. Just say, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Are you feeling good? This is respect. And Allah will be happy. You doing this to him. If you respect people, Allah will respect you. If you respect Allah, Allah will respect you. Okay? But one thing. Okay?
Okay.
No,
Okay.
they're doing. Okay? They're doing how they can say. What is this? I will tell you things. Shahadat. There is no God but Allah. Okay? I'll just tell you Shahadat. Second, but Allah can help you every day. Second question, it's very important. Salamin, pray in the right time. Pray 5 times a day. And swine me, do not drink, do not eat while sun. When the sun rise till then sunset. And next, don't eat, don't drink while the sun is. When the sun set and moon come, you can eat, because this is good. If you do this, Allah will bless you good things. You listen to Allah, Allah will listen to you. Okay? If you not listen to Allah, Allah will not listen to you. You will say, how do kids do like this? Kids also can pray. Especially Allah listen cats and daughters and youngers. Because Hazrat Fatima is the only girl who was youngest daughter of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Can I tell you a story? What is Palestine? She was thus using her phone. Then Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the father came, she leave it and go on his side to kiss in the cheek. And hug. This is not funny. This is respect. Like you kissing Baba, na? That's also Fatima did. Hazrat Fatima. You doing same this like Hazrat Fatima. You know, don't come in, don't join this. Okay? This is Islamic study.
Yeah.
Islamic study. Okay? This Islamic page studies. And you studies is fighting. Studies with her mother.
Then my heart will
She's
control.
doing bad deeds. Sorry, but it's Prophet Muhammad's. When he was born, his father died. But it was not his grandfather was here. His grandfather groomed him. Like, this is his son. Then he get big. The grandfather can't stay, so he died. Then he grew up, but now he died. He was very far. But he is watching very high up in Allah. He is prophet. Prophet can see. Prophet is a prophet. They're with Allah. Why they was prophets? Then can I tell you? See prophet. Ask you why Allah sent prophet. To teach us like which we didn't know and which we are doing right now. Then prophet came to tell. He will say, don't eat while the sunlight. He said, while the sunlight, when it's rise, then you can eat in Ramadan. Because Prophet Muhammad you can't see, like Allah. Prophets, they are very special. Nobody can handle Allah. And angel. There is, and he bring message from Allah. He said, give me message. Allah give him. Then when Allah told him something, he said, there is no God but Allah. Yes. What is meaning of there is no God but Allah? This means only worship to Allah. Because Allah is Allah. Allah care us, you care Allah, Allah will care us. Allah will respect us, you respect Allah. Okay? Allah is not such a thing which is wrong. Allah is special. Allah can also throw rain. Allah can also throw things. Special. Especially Allah throw lighting when you respect Allah. When you talk to Allah. Especially when you ask the love word. When you ask, I love you Allah. Wait. So there is no God but there is nobody to give you blessing. Only Allah is here to give you blessing. Only. Allah is the powerful person on the earth. You always need to listen. Allah of 7 skies, uncountable skies, He lives. Also He watch. He is owner of everything. Even He is owner of the earth, even the planets, even you He owns. What He tells, listen and do it. He is owner of 7 galaxies. All galaxies. There's only 7 galaxies. He's owner of all galaxies. Who made it? Nobody made it. Allah made it. I have 3 talks for you. You both will join to help. Sit properly. You both will help. I have 3 talks. What is Allah? Why we need Allah? This is how.
Because we need blessings.
It's okay. He said, he's shooting. Now, if there's 3 questions, I also can say other. This is very important. Why? Who made everything? Allah. Who made?
Allah.
And there's so many talks. Who creates everything in this world? Allah. Some things who made, some special. Sometime Allah and sometime we. You. People sometimes, also people, non-living thing is Allah, non-living things, some non-living things is Allah made, especially the galaxy and living things Allah made, but also non-living things people's made. This bed is made by people's, the screw made of people's, but especially galaxy, nobody's, the moon, sun, nobody can build it. This is very hard. What Allah did? First there was no things. Then Allah started doing like this. Then within 1 hour, everything was complete. But only people's was not complete. But Allah wait. Then the people's was born. But people can't grow like big. They are born very small like a baby. Cats are different like people's. Cats' eyes are closed. People's are sleeping. They are not closed eyes. They are sleeping when they are baby. Difference. Second, there are so much talks. Who, why we need to listen Allah. They heard. Okay, first Allah
Use
This is very hard. This is hard.
Allah will bless us.
No, it's not.
because we need to do good deeds.
This is I said, not this. This is a task. Task. This is impossible task. You need to listen.
Allah
idiot.
is
No.
the one.
No. Nobody knows. This is special. These tasks are special. To Allah to listen. If you tell them, Allah will bless you. Allah's blessing. Who bless? Who made us?
Allah.
So the answer is,
Allah.
what Allah? What Allah?
Bless. Allah will bless.
What Allah will bless us? Then we will be.
Yes.
Yes. Allah made us, that's why. That's why. She lose. Loser. You both lose. You didn't tell the truth. Because Allah made us. You both are losers. I forget. Thanks for watching. Friends, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Wait for next vlog. But this vlog is little long and good. But next vlog, it's like a life. It's very long. It's very good. And if you want more type of these good videos, like and subscribe and press the bell icon. So thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yes. Bye. Bye.
Bye.